morning, Coryell's class.
Good morning, Mr. Codger.
We finished nets and surface area today. Quick question for you. A net is what kind of figure?
Flat figure.
And in order for you to turn it into a 3D shape, we would probably do some folding, right? So a net is a 3D shape that's flattened, right?
Yeah.
Well, this is interesting. All right, should we keep going?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to skip sphere, cylinder, cone, and cube. I'm going to skip surface area and come back to it. Talk about a flattened 3D shape. This is a cylinder that has been flattened, yes?
Yes.
Think of your water bottle. This is the top, this is the bottom circle, yes? If we took the rectangular piece and made it into like a cylinder, or we rolled it, that would be the body of your water bottle, yeah?
Yeah.
This is a cone. Think of an ice cream cone, and then this would be like the top of it. Maybe not necessarily the ice cream, but the flat top of it, yes? If you flattened it, it would look like that. Think of a cubed Kleenex box. If you flattened it and looked at all 6 sides, it would look like that. You good? Another example of a Kleenex box, maybe this is a rectangular prism Kleenex box. That's what it would look like as a net. Cool beans? Okay, more importantly, even more important than nets is surface area. To find surface area, you must what?
Find the area of each face.
And then do what?
Add them together.
This is a rectangular prism, true or false?
True.
How many faces does a rectangular prism have? 6. So we literally need to find the area of every single face, yes?
Yes.
So I'm not going to do all of them, but imagine this is the bottom face of the rectangular prism. What's the base?
6.
What's the height?
3.
So we find 6 times 3. We write that down, yes?
Yes.
Is this also going to be 6 times 3 up here?
Yes.
Yeah, so we wrote our second 6 times 3 down. So you continue to find the area of each of the faces. I'm just highlighting the rest of them. And you have the very, very front and the very, very back. Once you find the area of all of the faces, how did we get to 162 inches squared? Add them all together, right? This is a triangular prism. We've got triangle and we've got triangle. They're opposite, congruent, and parallel, yes?
Yes.
Hudson, right?
Yep.
How many faces does this shape have?
5.
How many faces does this shape have?
5.
How many different shapes make up that prism?
5.
How many different plugins do I need to have?
5.
Once I find the area of each of my shapes, I add them together, and that would be my overall
Answer.
What is my answer?
170 units squared.
Which is the what area? The what area?
Surface area.
I'm looking for surface area. Make sense?